Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from whichever place you're watching us from. So today guys is another interesting video. If you're watching, kindly subscribe, like and share our videos. Guys, Mombasa is starting to be hot. I thought the other day that it was going to be raining every day, but then apparently it's just breezy. There's a lot of breeze and not so, it's hot but not so hot, but I'm hoping that it keeps raining. So today guys, as you can see, the house is not so clean. This window has been open and the moment you open it, it becomes dusty. And you know me, look, like this is just like 2 days or 3 days. That's the amount of dust we have. And if you close these windows, it becomes super hot. So like we are left in the dilemma like what to do. But either way, so today we are doing cleaning, we are doing thorough cleaning. This house must be clean either way because the baby is here. We don't want the baby sneezing all the time and all that. So we are here trying to wash our toilets and making sure that everything is clean. And of course, I'm joined by the amazing, gorgeous, beautiful, tall sister-in-law who's been super helpful. Guys, if you watch my yesterday's video, I talked about her and how she has really supported me and been there for me. This girl, if there's something I'll have to do for her, only God knows. She's been like sweet and nice and gentle and generous to me. She has helped me a lot, and you know, I don't know what I'll do for you, but I will do something. So introduce yourself.
Yeah guys, morning, afternoon, evening, whichever place you're going to watch this video from. Welcome back to Claude Joseph's YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe, share and leave a nice comment there. We also thank the Almighty God for the gift of life that He has given unto us this morning. It's a nice chilly morning here. Yeah, and I also hope wherever place you are, you are healthy. And if you're not healthy, may the Lord heal you. I'm praying for you.
Yeah, and guys, this girl here scored like the highest grades you can ever think in Kenya. She's going to the university. She's supposed to be selecting the courses that she's going to do, and she has, I think, selected them.
The portal is open. The portal is open, but if I try to apply, it's like there's congestion. Yeah. Just give it time. So she's supposed to be joining schools, university in April, guys, and it's gonna be a long journey. September, guys. So we are working towards her going to college, you know, supporting her. And guys, if you wanna support her, please support her. There's a friend of mine, when I go to Nyabohanse, not a friend of mine, a subscriber, who said sometimes back that when this girl, if she passes going to university, please, I will be the one sponsoring her university. So if you remember, you made that promise, I have forgotten you. Please, she goes with the B+. Show yourself now.
This is the time we need you. Show yourself, because university is no joke. University, guys, will have to, oh my God, put even 3 videos every day to support her to go back to school, because she's our responsibility right now. So we have to, and it's going to be taking like 4 to 5 years. So
also guys, I really appreciate me and Howie and my brother Claude Joseph. They really supported me since I started. Claude Joseph was supporting me since Form 1, Form 2, and when I was in Form 3 at time, in Howie came, they continued to support me until I finished my Form 4. And I thank also them, because most of the students, they have not cleared their fees. But to me, I've cleared my fees. And that I appreciate Howie and Claude Joseph. Thank you so much. And those who are supporting them, because if you support them, they also support me.
Yeah.
I really appreciate. May the Lord bless you.
And you're pretty. Hey. Look at her skin is flawless. She's so beautiful. Oh my God.
So may the Lord bless you. May the Lord give you abundantly.
Oh, you know me, I'm tearing up. I like tearing up. I become emotional. You know, sometimes I feel.
When you say I'm crybaby.
Yeah, me, I'm a crybaby. I get emotional because I know the journey, how she's really like she needs to go to college, guys. Me, I get emotional when I think of that, because we know it's not going to be easy. So I get emotional.
I know the way Lord opened the way I went to Form 1, like high school,
you'll open a way you go to to university.
Yeah. If I can give out my story, the time that I was joining high school, it's terrible.
I know.
the way God opened my way and I joined the high school is the same way He would open the way and I go to university.
Amen.
And the way He gave me a bright brain. The way he protected me in high school, showed me everything, and I passed my exams.
Mhm.
It's the same way he will get me in university.
Amen.
And I passed
Oh my
exam
God, this
and become
girl.
a great person
Yeah.
in the world.
Amen. She's gonna be a great person through you. I know you are going to be. So don't worry. You what you need to do is focus on your on applying for the whichever course you want, the college that you want, and then now God will do the rest. You know.
Yeah.
So as we'll also pray and keep working harder, at least save a little bit by bit by bit by bit, so that when that time comes, you get to school, even if it's just making just a partial payment, so that you can join school. Okay.
Yeah.
So guys, she's good joining in September, and we are in almost April. We're starting April, maybe tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yeah. So that's how many months remaining? 3 months. So guys, we have 3 months to look for her school fees and support her. You know, so guys, so today we are going to be doing this video. Let's hope we make money so that we can save, so that you go to school. Okay?
Today is
Yeah.
separation of what we call supervision of work.
Supervision of work.
Yes, so with them guys, they'll be cleaning the house. I've been babysitting, I've washed the baby.
He has watched the baby
Now I'm trying to lure her to sleep.
to lull her.
Yeah, to lull her. I'm trying to even luring her.
Luring.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Just like giving her
English is not water.
singing for her some lullabies,
Uh-huh.
so that she can sing like ooh, ooh.
Oh, mbe. And we'll catch up later.
Yeah.
So yeah, so guys, she started cleaning. So I was just joining her because I was also helping in some few things. So like scrubbing and all that. So maybe hold this. I haven't done anything in a while, so today is the first time I'm trying to do something.
And don't overwork, don't bend.
I'm going to bend for just a few minutes.
Don't
A few,
bend.
not so much.
Don't bend.
Yeah, normally, I know she cleans here, and I'm just showing you how we do it. I'm just showing you how we normally do it, so that when I get back better to bring things, I will show you how I normally clean myself, you know. So make sure it's clean and you know. And you have also prepared tea.
Yeah, tea already.
So this one, if you scrub hard, it becomes clear and nothing is here, you know. So you have to scrub really hard
For it to look clean and for it to
yeah. So I don't want any germs in my house, so I normally clean. And I don't feel like, why are you washing with your hands? I don't feel like that. This is how we do it here, guys. I don't want to pretend that we use gloves. No, this is how we use it. We clean here. So this one, you see, fell. If you clean like this, all this,
the brown is gone.
yeah, all of it, the brown goes away, even here. It becomes very clean. You see? Let me show you. Sure. See, it becomes very clean. Yeah. So that's how you clean it. I'm also showing her how to do it. So that normally I do this, all of it, and I do this at least twice every week. And then the other day is just washing the sink, toilet, and you know, yeah, I try and do this every day. And also, yeah, so can't keep it going. Guys, I'm just showing her how we are doing it. Sometimes, you know, you have to train her and also teach her so that when she goes to her house, she'll be able to do these things by herself. You know. It's good when the toilet is clean, everything is clean, because it's a shared toilet, so we have to clean it properly. You have to wash properly, you know. Here we don't normally use like gloves so much, because I know it's supposed to be like that, but most of the times we don't. So we end up just doing things like this because this is how we were, you know, we were trained to do
In the
things.
village life.
Yeah, so this is how it has been. I would like to say that now I have gloves to to use to glove for cleaning. I don't have that. You know? I do not. I'll be lying. So normally then after you're done, you wash your hands, you clean, bathe, and also become clean. You know? See? Have you washed here? Okay, so you pour water. So this is what we normally do it. So we do it around everywhere. And make sure the toilet is clean, sparkling, spontaneously clean. You can sit in here and eat your food when it's very clean. After you've done that, you spray water like this. You see? You make sure you spray water until it's very clean. So that anyone can sit on it and you know. But every time you sit on it, after you flush, you pour some there's a detergent there that makes it more clean, you know? Yeah, so that we don't have infections or anything. So every time you're done with the wall, this is what you do. If I get back to my feet, I'll be doing these things and showing you everything and how we do it. So we continue cleaning the other side, the edges, like that corner there is dirty. Then we'll show you the rest of the video. Okay? So guys, kindly subscribe, like and share. And let's continue. Let me take a shower very fast and then go breastfeed baby and then we will finish. Guys, my name is Live.
My baby slept.
Don't make noise.
I'm good. I'm a good babysitter. So my baby slept, and now it's time for me now to go clean everything that has been here around. So we have to put the water down. Now let me put on my shirt. I don't want to be shirtless this way because people will be like, yeah, you don't know you're a dad. So just I want to grab the water from there, come pour it in the toilet because this is where I was washing my baby from. So let me put on my shirt.
Yeah.
Don't mind guys, they wanted to pull these clothes down. They are from being washed. So don't
Guys,
mind.
this guy is disturbing me.
How am I disturbing?
You're just disturbing. He's changing clothes
changing?
towel.
What is changing?
He's changing
What is
clothes.
changing?
I'm a Korean idiot
What
and
is
understanding.
changing? Your accent. Yeah, your accent is changing. Changing. Yeah, so guys, she has been changing. Alright, let's not mind about that. Anyway, it's good. I want because the baby has slept right now, so I'm just to wash this, pour the water and wash the bath station. This is her bath station. I'll show them how the bath station looks like. And then yeah, it's kinda little not okay, so let me pour this. And then we flush it. We have to make it clean a little bit. Like these ones we keep soaps inside. Be this side, or this side because of the this down here. Be here because of the light. So don't go very far because just to wash them a little bit, just to clean. Because the bath station is the best. So it's my time. Because with them they've been cleaning the house at the other end. So with me, also it's my time to do the cleaning of the bath station because I was the one responsible for it. I was the one who was cleaning the baby. So it's always advised when cleaning the baby, also have to wash your bath station so that you kill the germs, you know. Then just like that, washing it slowly by slowly. Let me know in the comment section, and also let me know in the comment section what do you think about this video. And on the other end, my wife should be joining me over here because she started this video when I was washing the baby, and also I was singing the lullaby to the baby as the baby sleeps. Because one thing I love about my baby is she doesn't disturb a lot. If she cries, she's crying because she's hungry or she wants to breastfeed. So that gives me an ample time for me to do my own works or my own job as a dad or as a family. So we joined hands today. We were like, even Maria will work. So first reveal soon. Don't come for me. Why, Claude? Why? But that's how we do it, okay? A little bit. So this one takes water from down here, from the basin to these ones. So yeah, just like that, and then we'll be done. Okay. These balloons, since the time when our baby came, it's already 1 month. Already 1 month. It's already 1 month. Now they are deflating, like this. So and already happy 1 month to our newborn. Actually, it's 1 month.
No, it's not yet. Today is 31st. Today is 31st.
Oh yeah, it's we are almost, right?
Yeah, we are almost.
Yeah, almost.
3 days too.
Oh, 3 days too. Yeah, absolutely.
Why do you want to make the baby old?
Yeah. I want to, but she's growing old already. You know, sometimes my mind jumps a lot. So I thought maybe it's already 1 month.
No.
We are
Not because that we are ending the month.
Yes.
She's turning 1 month, you know. We go with the date that she was born.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so our bath station is clean, sparkly clean, up to the down level. Clean. Oh, whoa, very, very clean. So, Baba Maria, behave. Sorry. So on this other end, I already prepared tea. So we have already tea over here, and on the other end, I have to go do what we call like clothes have been washed, and then we avoid them putting them up and up the rooftop because they can fly over, and up there the sun is very, very, very hot. So it's better we put them over here to avoid them decoloring or decoloring, yeah, something like that. And also, yeah, that's how everything is. So we'll be preparing also what we call like lunch. But all in all, it's cleaning on our 1-bedroom house over here. We joined hands to clean our 1-bedroom house in Mombasa, Kenya. So yeah, let's see how everything is around here. Thank you guys all, and this is how everything is all the way over here. So guys, this has been always my place. So actually I want to prepare rice, and before that I'll be boiling what we call like beans. I'll be frying the beans. Who is that? Who is that? Mama Maria. This is Mama Maria, guys. She's over here.
Mama Maria, guys. I was breastfeeding and I took a shower, went to breastfeed. Yeah, so we are making food, or you are?
We want to make food.
What food are you making?
After the other cleaning, we want to prepare rice.
What was it that is finished? Oh my god.
Flour. Cooking
Flour
oil.
is-
But
Flour is finished.
we have this one in stock.
I think we need to do shopping. Oh my god. Guys, Mombasa is crazy. We are in a city that is the most expensive city in Kenya. Mombasa.
This is the stock of this.
Stock. That's the only stock we have.
We call it the
This
raha.
is the only stock of the brown ugali we have.
Yes, and the brown ugali. I think when we be going home, we have to come with plate of it. Oh, I told you, you are
My
weak.
hands are...
You are weak a little bit,
Yeah,
but
so...
I'm doing my best to make you strong.
Thank you.
Yeah. So
I think mom will get, we go home, we'll get
we get
more
a lot
that.
of more of that, yeah. And you know what? Actually, we cooked the biggest ugali ever the other day.
We had guests.
We
That's
had
why
guests.
it went down. Yeah.
So, and I'm telling you, it won't go down until we finish home, because you know the moment you share the meal,
Mm-hmm.
don't
Of
think
course,
that
yeah.
it goes down. It continues adding.
Adding.
Yeah. Now we have a store here.
Okay.
Yeah. So I want to prepare.
Hi
rice here.
guys.
And also wash the main utensils.
No, I'm not going to take a breakfast, guys.
Oh, you haven't?
I haven't taken
You will.
breakfast.
You have to come and prepare a breakfast. Yeah, you can have bread is here.
Okay. Did you put sugar in the tea?
No. Why? Everybody has to balance his or her own
Yeah.
portion.
I don't take sugar, guys. I've stopped taking sugar. Most of my meals don't have sugar. Thank you.
Okay.
My like I don't add sugar onto my tea or porridge or anything like
We
that.
are in the mission of reducing calories.
We are in the mission of reducing calories as we go, you know.
Yeah. So I'm adding water over here so that the water can boil. And when the water will be boiling,
This is for rice.
yeah, for rice.
Okay. You don't normally like me when I make rice, guys. I if it's one rice cup of rice, 2 cups of water.
Yeah.
You
So
how do you measure this?
this one is 3 cups of water because I'm going to put 1.5.
Oh,
cup
1
of
cup
rice.
of rice. Okay.
Yeah. So that's it. These things I knew it before you.
Okay.
I knew it before you. Don't
He
worry.
thinks he's a better chef than me, guys.
I'm the best. She knows.
No, he knows. He knows when I cook.
No, you know. You know very well.
Guys, when I cook,
she licks her hand like a Hazabe guy. Hey, very sweet. Hey,
no, you
my
cannot,
husband.
You cannot bring Hazabe into this. Like, come on, Hazabe. I don't
You
think
lick
like
your hands
Hazabe.
like. Who can Felicitas can attest for
No,
that,
I
but I
don't-
know she'll be on your side.
Why?
No, Juma or
Because-
Charles can testify that.
Because
The other day when I prepared
no,
goat,
it's the other day they prepared goat with Juma and it was the finger licking goat.
but you lick your finger. I'm gonna
For the first time,
like a
his
Hazabe
beef
guys.
was nice. But me, you know, when I cook, he needs to think I don't know how to cook.
I know you know
I'll
how
tell
to-
you a story time.
I know you
of
know
how
how
this guy when I met him when I went to his house, how he thought I don't know how to cook because I was having challenges cooking with something.
Chapati.
Yeah.
You want me to tell them that you don't know how
And
to cook chapati?
I don't know how to cook chapati.
When you were at home, so I decided to
No,
teach
it's
you how
because
to
of the what they had. I was used to making chapati, rolling chapati on a platform like this. And then now when I went home, this because he hadn't finished his kitchen and it's his fault. He hasn't finished his kitchen. So there was a stool. So you put chapati the dough on a stool. So the stool kept shaking.
shaking. You know in Swahili what they
And
say?
my chapati instead of being round, it looks like a red map of Africa.
Let me tell you guys.
It was terrible.
In Swahili they say mchagua jembe si mkulima. So we say
And I've never cooked on a stool.
also they say
Mhm.
a driver chooses no road.
It doesn't
So
matter.
like you are
And
chef.
then he was laughing and telling his mom, oh, he was criticizing me so hard. Like, and I was nervous.
Until-
Remember, I was a guest, guys.
Until she knew how to cook. I'm
No,
not
no,
criticizing
no, I
you.
know.
Come on.
His mom had to defend me. You know, his mom had to be like, stop it.
You know me. I don't know how to cover things. I don't know how to just
It's
cloud
not about
things.
covering things.
So with me, if you
Guys,
go
he gave
wrong,
me a hard time.
if you go
He
wrong,
gave me a
I just
hard
tell
time.
you there that you are wrong.
No,
this is
like
not supposed to be
when
done this
someone
way.
when someone is your guest and they just came like a day ago and they're like, okay, can we make chapati? And then now the things you have in your house,
No,
the
guys.
resources that I am supposed to use to make this chapati were challenging to me because I'm not used to
So
that.
you're confessing.
I'm saying you didn't have what I wanted, like what I needed.
So guys, by that time we were
Oh, God,
I
guys,
got
we
used
could
to
go on
her.
and on.
I used to get
Yeah,
and then we used to do a lot of jokes with her. So with me, I was
You took the
treated-
jokes too far, like it got personal.
So look, I never knew that she just take these
And I
jokes
didn't
too
know that's how
personal.
we jokes. No, I didn't
Yeah.
have known him that much.
Mm.
No, guys, it's even before the party. Like I'd only met him like a week or two, less.
And then you said let us cook chapati. And me, I knew
I
very
did
well.
not say cook chapati. You said you were the one who wanted chapati. Because
Yeah.
where was I guess I cannot suggest what's being eaten in your house. So
And
the mom
then-
and the family members, even the grandmother, was sitting in the sitting room waiting
see?
for me to see how I cook chapati.
You are being vetted.
The vetting, I was like, oh my god. Every now he came.
So the judge was me. So me, I was there.
No,
so that
your
I
mom-
was,
your
I
mom
was
de-
there.
your mom
speaking-
defended
I
me.
was there speaking on behalf of everybody because I know if they could have spoken it to you, you could have felt bad.
Him
So
is-
because
he's
when
like-
I finish.
When he criticizes you, he uses his all energy, he's so fierce with it and so mean
So
sometimes.
because my mom saw that, hey, you're going, you know, my mom's mind was already in 4 times mine.
Mm.
So she realized very well that hey, this lady has she's mad in another way. So let me be on her side. But if it was
Imagine you have a
something that
guest
you
who is trying to cook for you and then you are criticizing that
I
guest.
wasn't criticized. We were being vetted how to
Ah.
cook chapati. But you know,
I know to cook chapati like
I
even
know you
before.
know, but after I've taught you.
No, you've never taught me to cook anything. What do you mean?
Okay,
taught
let me teach you how to cook rice.
Ah,
Come
guys,
on.
how can you teach me to cook anything?
I can teach you even to cook. Huh?
Maybe to roast nyama choma. Maybe you can say something like that.
Yeah, I love when you confess that you don't know how to do something.
Nyama choma, I don't know. The things I don't know, I don't know. The things I know, I know.
So you know how to prepare.
CJ, I remember when you came to Mombasa here the first time with you.
Hey, I remember you were treating me like a king. I remember. Huh?
I
used
was
to-
cooking for you every day.
Mm,
Even in the village, I even saw it.
mm.
When I cook, what happens?
I lick my fingers.
Yes, so
I have
please.
to accept because you're always right. Even if I'm right, it won't show. You are always right.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Your arrow always points up.
Isn't it too much? Or is
Mine
it
can't be too much.
okay. Sorry.
Excuse me, guys. No much food is much in a Korean boy. No much food is much in a Korean boy. Alright, guys, let's see, and then we'll be showing you the end product, how everything is. But
Yeah.
initially, just drink. There's bread there. There's jam. There's blue band. There's some eggs. Can I?
No.
Okay. I got this coconut. I have to add here. Adding this water a little bit, just like that. And then I wait for it for a couple of minutes. I start this. I start this at just a couple of, just like that. I add salt. That's enough. You start a little bit. Start like this. So that's coconut milk in water, also boiling water. You start till it's evenly distributed. Evenly distributed. Yeah. The salt is already evenly, it's more soluble inside. Let me close this door and then everything goes on well, right? Yeah. So the water boiling, though you see, it's boiling. So let's add our rice. Our rice. I washed my rice actually. You have to wash your rice very well. The moment you wash your rice, you help it. There are some people who don't wash rice, but it's very good and recommendable for you to wash rice because sometimes when they're processing it in the factory or in industries, so they don't do that. The only what they do is the preservatives only. So it's your work to come and wash it. Always pay that attention of washing the rice. So as you have done that way, you leave it to boil completely until it's fully cooked. You see our water that I was washing my rice. Just like that, we leave it to cook, and then we'll be cooking what you call like beans, rice and beans today. Yeah? Very nice. Okay. See your rice this way. It has some perforations. Don't try to turn it or to stir it. Just leave it that way. To cook, you reduce the only thing you do is to reduce the fire to smaller, so you leave it to cook well, and then the rice will be cooked. But the moment you scoop it with the spoon, it comes one. You can even count it. But some people, you find them cooking it and then stirring it. It becomes like ugali. So you can't differentiate between ugali and rice. So this one, I'll show you the end product of this kind of rice. The way you see it perforated this way, don't turn it until it's fully cooked. Okay. All right. So let's fry our beans, and then we see how it is. And I don't know who told people in Africa that rice is well eaten with beans. Why can't people even eat rice with sukuma wiki, or rice with githeri, or rice with sardines, or rice with fish? Sometimes rice with fish is better. Rice and beef, rice with chivon, rice with mutton, something like that. But mostly we have been crammed that you have to also eat rice with beans. Anyway, let me cook and prepare, because I asked them in a debate, what do you all have to eat? Rice and beans. And we have fish in the freezer. And I told them, can I cook fish? No, just cook beans. Anyway, I have to prepare what they have suggested, which is okay. Hey, my baby's awake. I know, guys, you love seeing me in the kitchen. I know that. You really enjoy seeing me in the kitchen when I'm preparing food. But some days we'll be resuming back to traveling, and maybe we'll be cooking ourselves in the Airbnb. Yeah. So, but me, I love even one subscriber to visit us, and I prepare food for her or him. You know. Sometimes they might be like, oh, that's food, you want to taste it. So it'll be more yummy when you'll be here. Okay, just like that. A little bit of carrot. So we check on our own. We see this, just like that, just like that. We add it, our tomato. Easy. Just like that. Our tomatoes. Just like that. And then like that. So, and then you see how everything is on this other end. The beans. Beans a little bit on the beans. Alright. Our rice is still rising on this other end. Okay. So guys, just added tomatoes inside, as you see. So you have to lead it. You lead it just like that, and then you leave it. The rice is still rising, as you see. It will cook as if it has cooked on a pressure cooker until you count 1 1. You wait. It's Chef Claude over here. If you want to cook best rice that everybody will be like, hey, how do you cook this rice? Invite me to help you cook your best rice ever. Okay. So after that, you just open, and then the tomatoes have been boiling into tomato paste, just like that. Then you are good to go to add your whatever you want to add, whether beans, whether peas, whether everything. So let me add my beans over here inside. You add your beans. Add your beans slowly. You stir it a little bit, just like that. Return this. Then you are good to go. Good to go. Just like that. So let's wait and see, okay? So don't call me Mr. Bean. So our beans are ready for the lunchtime. So in our Eid Mubarak, we have prepared this over here, rice and beans. So no more going to people's house like, oh, we have to do this. No. You know, like now our Muslim friends have they are now out of fasting. You know, now their Ramadan is off. Now it's time for them. Now today is marks the end of Ramadan, so it's a very huge celebration. Maybe I'll be, because I'll be moving around the streets. Maybe tonight I might, because I've been limited with a child. I cannot move at night, but at least maybe I just go shoot maybe a 1 hour video, just in 1 hour to move and go check how they are celebrating, then be back. But if I won't, then well and good. But for now, I've prepared rice and beans for my family, and that will be good. All right. Okay. I have to dip water inside it just like that, and then do my work. Just like that. So you see what kind of rice I was telling you, like this. The rice that you put, and it's just spread by itself. You see, like this. The moment you pour it this way, it separates. It doesn't become like ugali. That's what I was telling you. You want many or little? A lot? Okay. So I'm serving my lovely wife, because after this she wants to go breastfeed. All right. So it's my routine to just take this one, the beans, just like that. Just like that. Just like that. It's enough for now. So we can check again. Spoon. Just like this. And then we present it. Very nice. Oreo.
Hi.
Hey, enjoy this one, Queen.
Thank you.
Just try it and you're here. I want you to taste it. Yeah, right now. Oh, na.
I'll start with the rice.
Okay, start with the rice, and you tell us. Don't lie, just say it. Is it salty, tasty, coconut?
No,
It's good.
it's not salty.
Mhm.
It's just enough. It was almost going to be more salty, but it's not bad.
Mhm.
I
So
started
it's
the beans.
medium.
It's medium.
I know you love salt. So yeah, that's it, guys. It's the time for this. About beans.
The beans are perfect.
Perfect.
Especially when they have capsicum.
They sounds nice.
I love them.
So between me and you, who knows how to cook?
Of course, still me.
You're always right. Alright, guys, that's it. And actually, there's one work that they have left here. They haven't wiped this window, so I have also to wipe this window and see how everything is. They have been cleaning the house and the toilet, but they forgot to do that. So let me look for something, because they felt they are tired and I had to be. So let me do that, okay? Yeah, so they forgot to clean here. You know, sometimes when the wind comes from the other side, over there in bamboo, hit on this other end, and look at the clouds. Actually, it will just rain, I think. But I want to use the weather forecast. I don't want to be unpredictable, like, oh, maybe. No. That one, sometimes it makes you feel the clouds can lie. You can see as if they are there, and just in a few minutes they're not there, and then you think it's raining, and then it's not raining, right? Yeah, and for now I've learned how to read the weather forecast. I can know how, where, and when it will rain, little by little, slowly by slowly. So that's how it is. So we wipe also here. You see this? Wipe these windows. Just general cleaning to avoid the dust from coming in here. Yeah, just like that. Alright, guys, so thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I really appreciate your love and support, and of course feel free to subscribe and also to comment down below what you think about this video. This video might be long or short today, because I don't want to make a lot of the long video. So thank you so much. Be blessed all. Remember, it's road to 30,000 subscribers. Ensure you subscribe, you like, you share. I really appreciate your love and support, man. You know, when you subscribe today, we tend to grow, and that's how we move, you know. So thank you so much, and bye bye. Let's see you in our next vlog. Bye.